And the provision of alternative funding solutions for the rail sector requires good corporate governance and structure and the confidence of investors. Now, that's coming from the acting managing director of the Bank of Industry, Mr. Waheed Olagunju. He made the comment at a meeting with the Harvard alumni group in Nigeria, where he also explains how the BOI is making affordable funds available to entrepreneurs.
We're supposed to intervene in sectors of the economy where market-driven institutions will ordinarily not intervene. And that speaks volumes, which means that our resources too have to be sub-market in terms of pricing in an economy like this. The challenge for us really is mobilizing foreign resources to support the industrial sector of the Nigerian economy, because that is what our customers need. Raising naira in the Nigerian economy is a challenge because of the MPR and the government cost of borrowing, double digits, and clearly entrepreneurs complain that we cannot genuinely move the economy around using those kind of resources. In designing how an insurance will work, you cannot but take into account the environment in which it's going to operate. So we are glad to report that the association is right in asking the Bank of Industry to come and address this subject, because we are well positioned now to be able to mobilize resources from within and outside the country to support Nigeria's industrial development.